Today we're talking about Universal Protocol, an exciting project being launched by an alliance of key industry players to allow for the easy transfer of value across blockchains. Now, a few notes before we do begin. This is an ICO, so please do always understand the risk that is involved with ICO investing in DYOR. There are no US citizens allowed for this sale, but if you are a US citizen and you want to pick it up, watch for it when it comes to exchanges here in the near future. And of course, a big thank you to the team at Universal Protocol for supporting the channel by sponsoring this video. Now, what is Universal Protocol? Well, Universal Protocol wants to allow for the instant, seamless transfer of value across blockchains. The need for interoperability of assets in the blockchain realm is key moving forward. This has been a major area of research and development over the last few years in the crypto economy, and this is a continuation of that. Now, at this time, we do have most bridges which are leading to Ethereum, and most projects and most developers are building on Ethereum. So it places Universal Protocol in a very interesting place as it is focusing on Ethereum to start with. Universal Protocol basically allows for exposure to multiple assets on one chain. But the technology is actually cross-chain and it can run on any blockchain which executes smart contracts. So even though Ethereum is the initial focus, we could easily see this coming to EOS or to Neo or to Stellar or any others in the near future. Universal Protocol achieves the multi-asset reality on one chain via proxy tokens. Now, proxy tokens are a token that represents the underlying asset. For example, Ethereum-based wrapped Bitcoin, but also a host of other assets from fiat to other cryptocurrencies and beyond into things like real estate, equity, commodities, credit, metals, and so much more. Now, proxy assets are, of course, backed one-to-one for the underlying asset that they represent. Now, they have already released two different proxy tokens, UP USD and UP BTC. UP Euro is coming soon. Thus, Universal Protocol is not a white paper fantasy, but an actual working product. In terms of security, the underlying assets will be held in a secure reserve, and all of this is made possible via smart contracts. Proxies, of course, can be cashed out for the underlying asset at any time, which is a big advancement over other proxy tokens like Tether that are notoriously difficult to actually get cash back for. 24/7 instant cash out is key for proxy token use. Cashing in and cashing out is made even easier with Universal Protocol via supporting exchanges. We can take stablecoins as an example of how Universal Protocol aims to improve on the existing infrastructures. Now, stablecoins on the platform are adopting a whole new level of trust via enhanced transparency, as we can see with the Universal Protocol US dollar. So essentially, when we have a new universal dollar, which is minted by the deposit of a real dollar into the reserve account of Universal Protocol platform via an integrated exchange, the underlying transaction is assigned a unique identifier, plus the date, the time, and the custody location of the underlying asset, which is a big improvement over the current competitors who have the trust us model, not the verify model. The whole concept of proxy assets can have a lot of benefits as well, and in particular, the ones that we see being offered by Universal Protocol. For example, institutions. Institutions can hold multiple assets, but only need to deal with one chain, Ethereum in this case. There are lots of benefits as well for retail investors. The platform creates a more practical and spendable way of holding your cryptocurrencies. And for example, users can borrow in fiat currencies against their proxy token holdings very easily using the platform. Exchanges, of course, will also benefit because they can offer a variety of assets without needing to integrate a wide range of different wallets and blockchains. Think of the powerful use case for all of the Ethereum-based decentralized exchanges which can offer new products all based on Ethereum. Add into this, the Universal Protocol specifically has some unique built-in features which make it stand out. First is fund recovery. Lost passwords are the #1 reason why people contact their banks worldwide. Just stop to think about that for a second, and then try to apply that to crypto. Essentially, copies of your private keys can also be held in custody, allowing users to easily recover them if they lose them. They're also offering easy inheritability. And this is a good one because, you know what? Tough truth, but we're all going to die at some point. But Bitcoin will continue without us. Universal Protocol can make it so that the funds become retrievable by pre-designated relatives after prolonged periods of account inactivity, the thresholds for which can be set by the users when they create the Universal Protocol wallet. These are some very important optional, and I do want to underline the optional part, features which will help set Universal Protocol apart from others. While these options may not be for everyone, for many users, they will be an important part of safeguards in their investing journey. These features are scheduled on the roadmap for 2020. So who is behind Universal Protocol? Well, it is an alliance of major industry players. For example, alliance member Uphold has pioneered cryptocurrency security and adoption. Uphold Reserve serves users in 184 countries and has powered more than $3.5 billion in customer transactions across 8 cryptocurrencies, 24 fiat currencies, and 4 precious metals. Uphold Ledger publishes the value of its assets in real time on a publicly verifiable ledger. Other members of the alliance include Cred, who does decentralized lending, Brave, the ad-free browser which pays you to surf the internet, Blockchain at Berkeley, BitGo, and Certic, which is a key security player, and Bittrex. Now I wonder where this is going to end up getting listed then. Also, some of the biggest VC funds in the world are in on this, like Arrington Capital. The native token of Universal Protocol comes packed with all kinds of different utility. Instant, cost-efficient convertibility into any proxy token. It also gives you voting rights on the next crypto to be supported on the platform. Access to credit, early access to new ICOs on Uphold and on Bittrex. And that is actually really, really big considering how popular IEOs are becoming. Also, the top 100 holders will get ICO presale access. The UP token will also offer discounts on trading fees, including on supported exchanges. We might finally have a Bittrex token here. Users must hold Universal Protocol tokens when trading Universal tokens on chain. As well, fees are collected in UPT. Profits from the Universal Protocol platform will be used to buy back UPT. Now, the token sale is ongoing. 300 million out of 10 billion tokens are going up for sale. A wide range of cryptos and fiat are being accepted. Details down below if you want to get involved in the crowd sale. Thank you so much for watching this video on Universal Protocol. Let me know what you think about it down below in the comment section. As always, you guys are super awesome, so thank you so much for watching this video. And if you did enjoy it, leave a thumbs up on it. And if you're new around here, subscribe to the channel. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.